So, we are going to a Texas Furry Fiesta. We have to bring our own beer.
Double D's!
Double D's! Show it! Live footage!
No.
Yeah,
it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad, bro.
She shot me. It's not that bad, bro. Just do it, bro.
Right. This is so fucking awesome.
Look at the zoom, though. It's like, it's analog, or it's not digital,
Oh,
so it
dude,
doesn't lose
you want to
quality.
try the Mexican filter? You want to try the Mexico filter?
Oh. Oh my god, Ethan, you get sent to freaking.
The light's green.
I tried to run to catch up. My pants are too loose now because I've been losing a little bit of weight. Medical information is retarded. Okay.
So you're like 80% of all actors
To be
in
the
world?
kid on this shit. Notarized. Telephone.
I don't. Wait, let's record that clip. Let's record the clip.
Oh no. Eternal, Willow. We're filming.
Dude, I've seen that person on Instagram. I've seen that guy on Instagram. Where was he?
It's got the selfie mode.
Registration.
Right.
Oh, they're open.
Blue sky grind.
Is that Taji?
Wait. No, that ain't no Taji. That's a lizard, bro. That's Taji!
Wait, really? Oh my god.
0 feet away. He's here. Wait, dude, I like Taji. I'm Mark. Say, I don't like any of this.
What did I tell you?
You're right. You're right. It was a scam.
Yeah, no, I mean, we
No,
already knew this.
But I'm glad. I did it.
I took an Ethan take, and I was like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm gonna get it.
No, I'm glad I did it though.
Good.
Like-
See, now you've experienced it. Now you know firsthand.
And now I know that I'm
Wait.
getting these.
We should have these two pose up with their new pillows.
No.
For the camera.
Not doing that.
Please,
No,
please.
no,
Oh, come on.
Okay, I'll pose up with yours.
I'm not opening.
Aiden, pose up with yours. I pose up with his.
With what?
Body pillow. And then we
I
get
don't
a
have
nice photo of him. Just hold it out.
Fine.
Oh, like me.
You're with his pillow.
Why am I with Why do I have to have
Because he's a coward and he's not doing it.
Wait, I didn't open this stuff.
Fine.
Wait, hold on.
You're opening it.
Wait,
I'm not opening
this could be like the Hail Mary of the phone.
Right.
Wait, we spent another $7. He's doing it, and he gamblers fallacy against me.
Oh,
Gambler's
no,
fallacy.
because I just lost. I have a higher chance of winning.
Yep, it is. They came.
You're an idiot.
Oh my god.
It's Fleur.
It's Fleur.
It's Fleur.
Alright, now it's officially completely closed.
I enjoy this gun so much. Apparently some guy was looking at my ass.
What? Wait,
Yeah.
what?
And the whole
Yeah,
time.
the whole time when I was walking past.
It was like, he went like,
Yeah, he's an idiot right there.
It's Taji. It could have been Taji.
no, he just like kept.
I would let Taji.
Oh, the bed. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
My dad and I were calling my family. We had trouble with the little barking noise thing, so we moved on. So this side of the road, and I'm looking down. It's like, hey, that's where we park.
Yeah, no, that's so sick.
That's where we tried to park.
Alright.
Right there.
Look at you, you're so sad. You're so cute.
And this is like east.
Yeah. That's crazy.
You can see Florida from here.
Yeah, totally. I mean, probably yeah, but like our vision doesn't extend that far.
We can see stars.
Wait.
Blue Star isn't there yet. The guy, the man. Maybe Eddie's in there. He got locked into a game. What's in here?
What's happening here? Tabletop.
Let's play Monopoly. Monopoly. I'll buy all the Brown properties.
I'm competitive.
What were the good ones in Monopoly?
Broadway.
Broadway. Aww.
I can't.
It's such a missed opportunity.
Well, we'll probably be here tomorrow anyways.
No way.
Yeah, we'll see.
What am I even gonna do? What am I gonna do for study?
Scoot out of the way. Walk my bags. Yeah. Get over there. Yeah, plus. Eddie is mooching for money because the rich get richer and the poor get poorer.
That is in the middle. Yeah, it is. Well, that's because you have to force him back. Do it out of here. Going up. Spencer here. How many creatures do you get?
We're back
so you
on
just
camera.
Exile your graveyard, and then you play every creature that's like exile. Alright, I got you.
Oh man, I love this. What is?
I feel like Kite would like that
He would.
with the umbrella.
He's such a goon.
I don't want it. I never got it. Okay. So fuck you underneath the side for the gift. I
What?
That's fair. That's fair.
Wait, why would?
Oh, he made a joke saying that I should get him a birthday gift because you were gonna give him a gift.
Give me this.
Is someone in there?
Because we've had some really.
What was that again?
Oh no, we just had a lot of things.
Huh?
Who was the guy again? His ass is fat and I want to smack it. The imposter
His
guy.
ass is so fat.
He was so
Wait,
stupid.
He literally has a fat ass.
Yes.
And I want to
Yes.
smack it.
Yes.
That guy's so funny.
Who is that guy?
I forgot what his name is, but he's also one that he was like, that smells sour, like funky. It's piss. It's pee. It's pee. Should we see the rat sketch of that one thing that guy was talking about? The mafia rats? Ask him if he's got the mafia rat sketch.
There's a Taji company.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's what his picture was. He was posing by it. So we just have to camp here, wait for him to come back.
They would just be like,
He's probably passed us by so many times and we didn't even notice.
You know what? I want you to surprise me. That's
Oh my god. Make up your mind. Just pick something out so you'll be happy. I don't. Because our tastes are like so different.
Let me grab some of that. This is a test to see how well you know me. I think you too.
I don't know you.
Those eyes are so pretty. No, you gotta go too. Oh, can you get the sexy diaper package?
Well, that's for you. That's what I'll get you.
That's not it.
If I wanted to surprise you, I would have gotten the ferret banner.
Don't surprise me. I would hit it up with something.
You just said you didn't want it.
I didn't say I hated it. I just wanted to spend money.
You just declined me buying
Yeah,
it.
because I don't want to be able to spend money.
Okay, then what do you want me to do?
But if you want me to
You just said you want.
If you want
oh
to
my.
get a gift from me, just choose something. Cool, no.
How are they gonna know? How will they know?
They're gonna know. How are they gonna know?
How would they know?
You guys surprise me. It's not a gift if I know what it's gonna be.
It's a money gift. I'm surprising you by buying something for you. The rats. The mafia rats.
Do you want the official card art commission?
Ooh.
hello.
Gotta
Zoom
get
in,
this
bro.
on.
Zoom in.
This is some lost media right here. It's like the
Here.
rat. The rat. Point at it. Point at it.
All right, we're recording. Open it. Show it off to the camera.
Oh my gosh, it's a yellow cat. What does it say? Sleep.
Okay.
I
Now
love
let's see your
sleep.
sticker. See your sticker.
Eat. That's like two of the three
All right.
steps to life.
Oh my god.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Mystery bag.
Unboxing time.
Oh, mystery bag unboxing.
Let's do it. Let's run it.
Let's
Let's run it.
Let's run it. Let's send it. Full
Open it
send.
up.
Oh, little sushi cat. Oh my fucking god. Oh, that's how we roll. Oh, I got the best haul. I got the best haul.
Okay, go. Open it.
It's recording. Oh my god, unboxing.
Oh my god.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
Neanderthal. He's touching, he's ripping it open. Oh, what do you get? What do you get?
don't
What's
bend
this haul?
That's not bad.
Oh,
That's not bad.
oh, cute.
Beat it.
Beat it.
Musician.
Oh.
That's not bad.
I get the same one. You can have one.
Oh,
But me.
bad haul,
already
bad
got
haul.
one.
Oh.
Hey, give us your reaction. Give us your epic Lucy's
like it.
reaction.
It's Steve. Oh my god.
Oh, a flint and steel, flint and steel.
You know, no. We're gonna trade this up to like a giant $1 billion. What? Come on, dude.
Dude, he's gonna trade for a Tesla.
I had to give up all my stickers for it.
All of them? What is it? Which one? Oh.
But those, see, these are stickers I actually got from the box. So these are all my stickers.
Can I get the yard? Can I get the yard, please? Please. We bust.
Go get in front of my frame. That was Eddie. Eddie, you screamed like crazy last time, remember?
I can do that again.
Don't. You can. Look at the found footage. Evan's not focused. Evan's so shaky.
Do you want me to hold it?
It has stabilization, but it's...
I don't give two shits. All the rumors are true, yeah. I'm a little bamboo, yeah. Focused on this music, my ex keep reaching on the internet. My smoothie cleanse of mine and I no, I ain't smash break. Spending all your time trying to break the woman down and shit. I am gonna service in the club, you say.
I can see it's both.
What? I'll zoom in on it. Ooh, whoa.
Big lessons over here. 2-4 coming heavy, let me bench pressing, and I'm gonna deliver every time just like a sent message. In the south, and I'm feeling like a pimp. You self, I don't feel bad for you, I ain't sympathetic. I just hit the peak, got the kids sweating, out of town chick, trying to tell her what a big red is. I'm a Kentucky boy to the death, come on, get it.
I don't know. Help him, he's dying. Oh. Where are you going with those legs?
Leggy.
I got the leggy banner. It's like Roblox. Oh, never mind. It's dodgy. I want to get in the corner looking.
Be nice, Eddie.
Son.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
W. Come on, boy. Dude, this is like Oh, he got it.
Another chair.
Oh, Super He killed Super
All right, let's get a chair out.
Take away your chair.
Take away a chair.
I'm so sorry, Super Jong.
Put it over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's crazy.
All right, are you ready?
Music.
Get him, Eddie. Get him, Eddie.
Win this for me.
Get him.
Win this for me. For me to win.
Give a round of applause,
Music still
everybody.
has a flap.
All right, let's take a chair out. I am dying.
That's so funny.
All right, are you guys ready?
He's got a crazy hickey on his neck.
Party.
Hell, I bet hickey.
Or is that like a shaving effect?
Get him, Eddie. Fuck him up.
Oh my
Oh.
Is it open with you? Give it a round of applause, everybody. Applause.
What?
Eddie might get the W.
I believe in him.
They should not have given me this power.
Dead. Put that one around. I got paws.
All right.
Eddie's face, bro. So fucking determined.
Dad, I'll make you proud, Dad.
You're making me proud, son. Get him, son. Oh, no, my son.
Give
Damn
a
it.
round of applause, everybody.